The Ministry of Interior has started the implementation of a comprehensive plan to ease traffic jams and lessen road accidents that includes 15 projects aimed at ensuring smooth flow of traffic in the country through the installation of cameras to closely monitor the traffic movement. One main aspect of these projects is the functioning of the Central Control Room, the CCR, of the Operations Department at the General Department for Traffic Affairs in the Ministry of Interior. There are more than 300 intersections in Kuwait, which the CCR is connected to and can control 180 of them through 72 cameras, with near future plans to sign a contract to install an additional 100 CCTV cameras. Sarah Glub has more on the CCR in this special report.
Interior's Central Traffic Control Department is primarily tasked with monitoring and observing any incidents on Kuwait's roads and taking necessary action using the most modernized technology used in the field of managing roads and traffic, including cameras, systems to track patrols, in addition to traffic surveillance and smart patrols.
Our daily routine includes CCTV monitoring of the roads and intersections, registering any irregular movements, particularly traffic jams, and implementing the best possible solutions based on our thorough analysis of all the intersections in Kuwait. The traffic count readings using infrared cameras and the loop detectors or wire sensors that reveal the volume of vehicles at each intersection. Based on these calculations, we determine the timing of the traffic lights, especially during morning and afternoon peak hours, in addition to emergency situations and special occasions such as Eid, Ramadan, and national holidays. We also deal with the convoys of His Highness the Emir and His Highness the Crown Prince, in addition to visiting delegations and officials, whereby we escort and guide them according to the road conditions. The CCR operates 24/7, and whenever an emergency occurs, we immediately report it to the operations room, where they dispatch a police unit to resolve the issue. We also have a team of technicians, engineers, and supervisors, and work in harmony and correspond with the field teams to fix any technical problems at intersections or with the cameras based on our command.
The operators here mostly are working on the surveillance cameras. They are monitoring the locations. As we said, we have 67 locations today. Inshallah, we will add about 100 cameras by the end of this year, so we will cover more locations. The operators, they are looking for the reason behind the congestion in the roads. So if the reason is the car breakdown or accident, they will call the operation room, and so the operation room, they will take an action, like sending police patrol to the location. If the reason behind the congestion is the timing, or this will be our, as engineers, this will be our job to look for the count reports and make the review, make the analysis, and depending on the count volumes of the traffic on that location, we will obtain the optimum cycle length for the intersections, for the signal. And then, of course, we use the software here we have calculated for. We download the new timing to the intersection.
Currently, there are 72 cameras installed at over 180 various traffic light locations and intersections around the country. These cameras are connected to the Central Control Room and the Operations Room, where a highly skilled team monitors the live cameras and road and traffic violations around the clock.
Sometimes drivers cause traffic disruptions like parking in non-parking areas or obstructing the road, so the Ministry of Interior has given us the authority to record the time and location of the violations and issue a ticket. This applies to all types of violations, such as not wearing the seatbelt or using mobile phones. Throughout our monitoring process, we noticed infrastructural problems on some roads and suggested ways that would help ease the traffic issues there, such as adding extra lanes, additional exits, or switching from intersections to roundabouts and vice versa. Some of our suggestions have already been implemented, so now any observation from our CCR staff to improve the quality of the roads and traffic are submitted to and executed by the Ministry of Public Works.
Of course, within the time we noticed that some drivers are violating the road and they're causing congestion in the road. This is causing a problem for us also in the intersections. So we got some orders about 2 years ago, so we can take a picture, snapshot of the location of that violator, and the police officers can write the violation ticket. Not using the seat belt or using the cell phone during driving, parking in the not allowed parking place. These are mostly our the violations. Then the cameras we have here, they can rotate 36 degrees. We can zoom up to 2 kilometers. After we use these CCTV cameras for violating, people started to feel that they have to follow the regulations. So the number of violations were very big, and now they are reducing.
The Central Control Room is also tasked with monitoring the traffic count using 63 iTourist cameras in various locations, as well as providing traffic information and instructions on accidents, congestion, roadworks and weather warnings through the use of 23 variable message signs spread out across the country. In this central control room, a team made of engineers, technicians, specialists and officers work around the clock to monitor around 180 of the main intersections across the country. This is just one of the Ministry of Interior's plans and endeavors to continuously ensure smooth traffic flow, reduce traffic violations, to ultimately save lives. From the Traffic Department at the Ministry of Interior, this is Sarah Gleb reporting for English News.